What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Quant here and absolutely, wow, look at this is a crazy daily candle. I mean, what is this, 40%? 46, 47% daily candle, that's absolutely incredible. And I mean, you can see pretty much what's happened here realistically when you look at the price chart, can't you? It's what we've been talking about for a while. If we could actually clear this resistance here of the top of this channel we've been trading inside of with a decent amount of aplomb, then we would be looking at a very, very nice move to the upside. And we can see Quant has actually done a crazy move to the upside. And we've actually been doing a bit of digging about the news and we can't actually quite find the exact reason for this. We don't know whether or not it's just because, you know, it's a technical target for price action, etc., etc. But it's absolutely ripped out the gates, hasn't it? Clearing that resistance fully and just absolutely exploded. Obviously, Bitcoin having a decent pump and the whole market in general just looking really bullish. It's probably led to a decent pump for it as well. But if anyone has the reason for potentially why Quant has actually ripped this much, please leave it down in the comment section so people can go and have a look at it and research it. We did do a little bit of research earlier trying to find the cause, but we couldn't exactly find out what happened. But, you know, you can see this chart and you can kind of see the technical reason for what's actually happened. We've obviously got this resistance that we have been stuck under. We cleared it here, but we came back under it. We came back over it again and back under it again. You can see we've been trading in and around this the top of this channel's resistance for a good while here, holding the 20 like a beast, by the way, for the last few days. And you can see it's forced us to come back up again, and we've actually cleared this level here. What was this level? At around $212-ish. And then since then, we actually ran almost a full 100% gain in a few days, up to around $400 before having a retracement here. And, you know, retracing currently around $320, but, you know, I don't think anyone that bought Quant back down here at, what was this, $34, $35 is complaining. We did get a decent bag of Quant down at these kinds of levels when it was going sideways, knowing that, you know, if it does get that CBDC adoption, etc., etc., is going to do very, very well. And you can see quite clearly that Quant has done exceptionally well here, done very, very well indeed. It's just absolutely pumping and showing a lot of strength and a lot of demand, especially with the huge supply shot that we are seeing on exchanges. There really is a really low amount of Quant out there. I think there's only 14 million total supply. And on exchanges, there really is a low amount of Quant. So I think there's been quite a supply shock causing a massive spike in demand, as you can see. And it's just looking super bullish, isn't it? You can see, obviously, it's been doing well despite the market being down for a decent period, really, over the past few months. Ever since the crash in the 19th of May, obviously, we come down for Quant. But it fully recovered in the space of a few days, went sideways a bit more, and then, you know, started to form its really bullish uptrend. High, low, it's high, high, low, high, 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 low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, and it's just, it's absolutely smashing it, isn't it? It's just absolutely flown out the gates, holding support like a beast. And, you know, we're getting our reward for anyone who bought this down here when it was boring, going sideways for months and months and months. You can see it's really starting to take off now, isn't it? So Quant looking extremely bullish. And as we said, we do anticipate Quant being over $1,000 by the end of the bull run. We really do think this is a really top quality project with a really unique use case and a unique design. And it is starting to get a massive amount of demand up behind it now, as you can see. So, you know, realistically, now that we've taken a look at the chart here, we can have a look at some short-term price predictions. And, you know, considering how much we pumped here, you would expect a bit of a retracement, wouldn't you? Potentially, you know, a 50% retracement would make sense. Even potentially if we do start coming down more and more, back down to, you know, the previous all-time high. But, you know, if our channel is trading up with something like this, then, you know, you could come back down, retest the top of the channel, previous resistance fully cleared into support, and a pump to the upside would be quite likely if we do get that retracement. But, you know, if we do start to pump again and surpass this $385 level, then, you know, do anticipate even more of a pump for Quant, because quite clearly it's showing a massive amount of strength, isn't it? And as we said, long-term price predictions, we do think that our $500 price target for the end of the year is looking very conservative now. So really, realistically, you're probably looking at $1,000, maybe, you know, a 10x from where we were looking down here. $1,500-ish does seem about right for Quant, which would be around, a 5x from the current price now. So it looks really strong, doesn't it? Looking really, really good in general. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.